So today we're using the Model 3 MTC. We've modified it for you guys so that it's going to run at about 30 kilowatts. Kevin, you want to grab that piece of aluminum pipe? Yeah. We're going to call that James and hit it with the coil real quick.
Oh, that catch on fire.
It smells like burnt hair. No damage, really.
Alright, so that's probably one of the coolest things I've ever seen, but Thor hangs on to his hammer. Can I do that?
This is a chainmail suit. So we use these in our live performances to guide the current through the suit instead of your body.
And will I feel anything if I'm wearing this?
Probably not, but you could feel a little tingle if you get too sweaty.
Good enough for me. No, I can't bend far enough. Sure. You gotta jump into my arms. The power of Thor! Dude, that was freaking awesome. I feel like I'm probably the only person who's ever actually called real lightning from Mjolnir. This is sweet.
It's crazy, right?
Alright, so I also brought a Captain America shield.
Yeah, we just gotta get you on a big insulated platform. We'll arc to you, and then you just throw it right at the shield.
Yes. And you pass me the hammer. I can't bend over. I'll pop it away! Guys? Well, hope you guys enjoyed that video. We had so much fun making it. It was probably the most fun business trip we've ever had. A huge thank you goes out to the Applied Tesla team. We couldn't have done this video without you guys.